David Wright. I'm a former Chief Executive of the Royal Australian College of GPs. I've been Director of Health Reform for Bahrain and undertaken major consultancies with the European Commission and the WHO. I've undertaken a review of Nonnatech and can thoroughly recommend their business model and the team that are working on the service. Recording vital signs and behaviours will really assist carers and patients with regards independent living. The market for this product is enormous, and I can see Nonnatech doing exceptionally well in the future and going forward. May I introduce Gary to you and for him to explain the business model, which I'm sure you will enjoy. Thanks very much.
Hi, my name is Gary German, CEO and co-founder of Nonnatech, a platform designed to identify early signs of deterioration in health focused on early intervention and prevention. Most of us here have an elderly loved one they care for or know someone that does. 117 million people in the US live with a chronic condition, and 36 million older adults live with multiple chronic conditions and have a high rate of hospitalizations. COVID-19 is an accelerator, but the problem will always be there because this patient population needs to be monitored, and without it, we'll go into higher levels of care, which is costly and a burden on the entire healthcare system. And that's why our solution is gaining so much traction already. We have formed several strategic partnerships, and that's why leading organizations in the world are choosing to work with Nonnatech. If there is a silver lining from COVID-19, it's that the demand for solutions such as Nonnatech has greatly increased, not just domestically, but internationally as well. We have over 600,000 ARR in booked revenue, projecting 3 million ARR from existing customers over the next 18 months, and over 20 million ARR in contract review. Now, let me tell you why people are so excited about what we are doing. Nonnatech is a patented remote patient monitoring solution, extending a person's health and longevity by using machine learning and continuous monitoring so that early interventions can be enacted to avoid unnecessary ER visits and hospitalizations. Nonnatech's solution and platform is device agnostic, meaning that the system can seamlessly incorporate any sensor and new technologies as they become available, including several unique sensors created by Nonnatech. What makes us unique is that we have a combination of both passive and active monitoring capabilities. On the right side of the screen, you can see that we are able to provide insights into weight and vital signs such as heart rate and blood pressure. And one of the many things that makes us special are the insights we are able to capture passively, as well as what you see on the left side of the screen, such as activities of daily living, sleeping patterns, and toiling habits. Nonnatech's platform aggregates the data quickly and accurately, converting the information into actionable information. These methods enable Nonnatech to become more accurate in its predictions. And we're not just talking about it, we are doing it. We have demonstrated a 35% reduction in ER visits, a 10x ROI, and savings of over $7,000 per member per year. We are currently focusing on B2B and B2B2C opportunities, charging up to $69 per member per month, and includes full access to our platform, access to an off-site call center if needed, cellular connectivity, and with appropriate indications, CMS provides reimbursement at a national average rate as high as $160 PMPM. There are 36 million adults aged 65 and older living in the US with multiple chronic conditions. An annual contract value of $828 per user per year. This is a massive $30 billion total addressable market in the US and greater overseas. Unlike competitive solutions, Nonnatech does not rely on patient self-reported data, nor does Nonnatech require patients to use wearable sensors to collect their data. Our biggest difference is that unlike products that address a specific activity, such as detecting falls or a single condition such as blood pressure, Nonnatech detects meaningful health status changes across a vast range of chronic health conditions. And we have a great team. Dr. Brinc was the former chief medical officer of some of the nation's largest health plans in the country. Keith Sabian was the former CEO of one of New York's largest hospital systems. And Mark Douglas was the former head of innovation and executive director of Pop Health for nearly 10 years at Aetna. Davin Hills, our CTO, has nearly 30 years experience, a successful exit under his belt for over $45 million. And with respect to execution capabilities, the team has significant experience in deploying national RPM and analytics solutions across multiple customer segments and environments. And then there's me. I have over 15 years experience in operating several senior care businesses. And Nonnatech is very personal to me, with several family members living with multiple chronic diseases in and out of the hospital. And that's why I am passionate about the work that we are doing at Nonnatech. Thank you, everyone, for learning more about Nonnatech. We are looking to raise over $2 million as we look to continue expanding our customer success and sales, capitalize on our pipeline, and reach $14 million in ARR within 3 years. We also welcome intros to investors and introductions to customers such as providers and payers. I invite you to meet with me for a follow-up meeting. Thank you.